Hello everybody, today we are shitting on nature. Why? Because... Oh no. No, stop. Ah, fuck nature. Alright everyone. So today, we are gathered here for the hanging of Sir Sheepington. Anybody has any objections over this hanging ceremony? No? Of course not. You're all a bunch of retarded sheep. Alright, let's get to it then. Sir Sheepington, any last words? Shut up. Alright, let's get to business. Alright there. Ah! Look at this, everyone. Your relative has been killed, and he will die a horrible death. No one likes you. They don't care. Oh no, please, no, stop, no. Oh God. Oh, are you seeing this? Oh. Alright, everybody. Second act of the day, deforestation. Let's start over here. Now time to watch the deforestation and watch nature kill itself. This is going very slowly. Oh well.